Indauluan ni former Chief Justice ken former Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin ti selebrasyon iti panangilagip ti may kasangagasot sa nga 12 a panagkasangay ti amada ani Major Luis F. Bersamin Sr. Itangal daw iti Camp Luis Bersamin Sr. Lagangilang Abra. Naiwayat ti wreath laying iti rebulto ti dating opisyal ken gun salute kas panangipakita ti panagrespeto ken panagraem ti nagbalin a kontribusyon na iti pagilyan. Paset pay iti aktibidad ti panakabendisyon ti museum ni Major Bersamin.
We gather here today to remember those who stood firm in the face of overwhelming adversity, as well as to reaffirm the values that they lived and that they died for the values of courage, of dignity, and an unyielding love of country. Indeed, Major Luis Bersamin Sr. was part of that noble generation of Filipinos who answered the call of duty during one of the darkest chapters in our history.
Naipanagan kani Major Bersamin ti military camp kas panangbigbig ti panagserbina iti United States Armed Forces in the Far East Northern Luzon iti tawen 1941 ken maysa isuna kadagiti soldado a nakiraman iti Battle of Bataan.
His dedication to the service of the country was most remarkable. We also hereby remember, right on this occasion, the valor and heroism of all his comrades in arms who fought in the Second World War. Theirs is known as the Golden Generation, never to be replicated. All of them deserve our remembrance and homage, as well as our lasting gratitude for their steadfastness in the face of the enemies of freedom and democracy.
Nagserbi pay ni Major Bersamin a gobernador iti probinsya manipud 1948 aging 1951 ken kalpasan na nagsublimit lang daytoy iti militar. Ti aktibidad ket dinarayan ti pamilya Bersamin, local executives, opisyales manipod iti militar, pulisya, ken dumapay a bisita. Kagiddan ti panangilagip ti panagkasangay ti mabigbig a banwar na igunam-gunam nga agserbi kuma nga inspirasyon ken pagalwadan ti kabibiyag ni Major Luis F. Bersamin Sr. Jessica Boreta, Balitang Solid North.